it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely wonderful today. If this is your first time coming across my channel here on YouTube, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. If you like what you see in today's video, I will invite you to please subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So my face is pretty much plain. I did the eyebrows already today, and that's all I'm going to do, fresh out of the shower. And I'm going to be testing the Fenty Beauty foundation powder for you guys. It's pretty much new. It just recently came out, so I'm not too late to the party. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty. No, I can't because this is too wet. Oh, it smells so nice. I wash my brushes with Cream of Nature shampoo, and it's still a little bit wet. So in the meantime, let me just try to find another foundation brush, and this is from Juvia's Place. This is the J2 flat top foundation brush. These brushes are really nice from Juvia's Place. And so to be honest with you guys, I did record this video already, but I did not like the quality of the video. I felt like my energy was just kind of not there, and I think because I was really hungry, because when I'm really hungry I will shove you over for food. That's how bad it is. And I thought, my stomach is in my head, or vice versa, and I thought, no, I cannot upload this video. Let me just re-record this, which I'm doing for you guys today. And so like I said, face is nicely fresh out of the shower. The whole body is. And so I only have my regular moisturizer on my face, and this is my Evolve Beauty. This is my, it is Evolve Beauty. This is the Evolve Organic Beauty Daily Defense Moisture Mist. I'm going to put a little bit of this on my face. And I love this because it really does help my skin to stay moist. And whenever I put my mask on, it doesn't scratch my skin. So I'm just going to let this sit there for a couple of minutes. I'm just going to fan that in. And so the only thing I'm going to do in today's video is go in with the Shine Killer from Nyx. Because when I recorded the video the other day, I went in with my Peach Luster from MAC, and it gave me such a really high red undertone. So I've learned that if I'm using this foundation powder with a red undertone, I don't really need to do any of that, you know, Peach Luster thingy, you know, that kind of an orangey undertone. It's going to make it look too red. So this is called the Shine Killer, okay? This is from Nyx, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the areas where I tend to shine a little bit. And that's all I'm going to put on my face. So I really want to see how this foundation is going to perform. And I'm going to give you guys my thoughts as we go through the video. So that's all I've got on my face, nothing else. And the Evolve Beauty products, they are working really well. I still have very, very light spots on my face. This side, I still have a few issues on that side. It's going away slowly. In any case, it is about the Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is the foundation powder, and this is 400. And the reason why I chose 400 is because, you know, they say if you are using the 400 liquid foundation, whatever shade you're using, you should be picking the same shade of the foundation powder. So I went with the 400. Beautiful, lovely packaging. There we go. And as you can see, it's 400. And so let's just go in with this now. My Fenty Beauty foundation brush is wet because I've washed it. So no base on my face except for the Shine Killer from Nyx. And that's it. So let's just see how this is going to work. Again, 400 is the shade. And I love the packaging. The packaging is so cute. Oh. I can see that it's given me the same red undertone. I'm not quite sure if this is buildable. I think it might be, and I'm just dipping into it with the brush. It's giving me a really nice finish right now. Very nice. But I don't think it is a full coverage foundation because I'm trying to cover up these dark spots right here. It's covering it up pretty much nicely. So let me just finish doing my whole face, guys. So let me tell you what I think of this foundation powder. I think this is really, really, really nice. It goes on nice and soft and matte on your skin. It's very, very mattifying. I just did my regular facial routine today and that's it. I didn't do any face prep. I just sprayed a little bit of this Evolve Moisture Mist on my face, and then I went in with the Shine Killer from NYX, and that's it. And I think this looks absolutely perfect. A little bit of a high red undertone, just like the 400 liquid foundation, but that's fine. I might choose to go down a shade lighter just to not get this red kickback, but I mean, I do like this, you know what I mean? Very nice foundation. I did not go in with any eyeshadows and mascaras and lashes and all of that stuff today because I wanted to see how this foundation was going to perform on its own. And I'm gonna tell you something, like coming up, like early spring, going into the summer season and in the fall, I don't even need to put anything else on my face. Some eyeshadows, my lashes, lipstick, and this foundation powder, and I'm good to go. I don't even need to put any highlights on, no concealing, anything like that. Because I'm not quite sure how the concealer will work on this powder foundation. It might, I don't know. But it looks really, really good, and I'm very, very impressed with it. I do love this so much. So having said all of that, my impression of this foundation powder from Fenty Beauty is really good. I love this foundation powder. So let me know your thoughts on this video today. Let me know what you think of the foundation powder. What shade do you use? Do you really like it? Have you tried it yet? I think Miss Rihanna did a really good job. She did fantastic with the foundation powder. Again, my shade is in 400, and like I said, I may choose to go down the shade, but if I do, I will definitely come back and show you guys. And I just pulled the hair down. I just kept it really simple today, and I'm just gonna go in with my lip balm here from Juvia's Place. This is in peppermint, and I really hope you guys get a chance to pick up on some of these because they are so good. The packaging is quite nice. And that's it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoy, and let me know your thoughts on this video today. Let me know what you think of this foundation. Should I go down the shade or not? Let me know what you think. But if you do have my skin tone, I think this 400 will work for you. And like I said, if I choose to go down maybe to 390 or something, I will come back and definitely let you guys know. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Doodles.